Hello and welcome to Derivo Club. Before we continue, if you haven't watched our Flashbot video, I strongly recommend checking it out using the notification above. In that video, we explain the general setup and features that apply to all our bots. To avoid repetition, this video assumes you've already watched it. In this video, I'll be introducing you to the Sevenbot, also known as the 𝗗𝗶𝗴𝗶 trading bot. If you've ever tried trading 𝗗𝗶𝗴𝗶 on Deriv and struggled to stay consistent, this video is for you. We've developed a solution designed to help you trade this strategy more efficiently and with better discipline. Before you begin trading, we recommend having at least $10 in your Deriv account. For this demonstration, I'll assume we already have that amount available. First, we open our Deriv account and refresh the page to make sure everything is properly set. Once that's done, we return to the Derivo Club website and select the Sevenbot, which is the second bot on the list. Next, I click Open and choose the web app option. This takes us directly to the Sevenbot interface where I log in. As you can see, the dashboard looks clean, professional, and well organized. All our bots share the same dashboard design. The difference lies in how each bot operates and the strategy it uses. Now let's set up the trade. I enter a stake of $10, select a martingale, and then click Start Bot. I want you to watch closely how the bot operates. Just like the Flashbot, the Sevenbot will execute 30 automated trades and then stop automatically. Let's observe how the trades perform. Wonderful. The 30 trading runs have now been completed. With a stake of just $10, we've managed to generate a total profit of $1,085. That's impressive. Let's close this alert and confirm the result on Deriv. As you can see, the profit has already reflected in the Deriv account. If you enjoy trading over and under strategies, especially 𝗗𝗶𝗴𝗶𝗶, then this bot is definitely for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.